So this is a leg press machine and meron tayong apat na variations na gagawin. Outer, middle, up, and down. So una natin gagawing variation is yung wide stand. So itong chair is na-adjust siya depending sa ano. Kung maikli yung legs nung gagamit, mas okay na iaangat yung chair. Pag naman masyadong mahaba yung legs, pwede naman siyang i-adjust na pababa. So yung wide stance muna tayo, pasok sa machine. And then, make sure na kapag naka-position na kayo dun sa machine, is yung patan nyo is naka-fix lang all throughout nung exercise. So, press mo muna pataas. And then, make sure na ang toes is facing outwards dito sa platform. Then, let's do 1 rep. Make sure na pagtataas, i-keep yung slight bend no ano to avoid yung knee injury kasi kapag inano mo, nilak mo na ganyan, dyan yung prone yung mga injury. So, let's do 3 reps. Down, then up. Down, up. So, ang next na exercise naman natin, i-move lang natin yung paa natin sa centered and then straight lang lahat dyan. Straight. So, ang next naman natin na variation is ilalagay lang natin from middle, iaangat lang natin siya. Then, same pa rin ang position ng feet. So, this time naman, ang target nito is yung hamstrings. And then, ang secondary muscles din, matatamaan din yung sa lower glute. So, ang last na variation naman natin, galing sa taas, dito naman tayo sa pinakamababa. This time, ang na-target naman nito is yung quads. So, to recap everything, ang wide stance, ang nata-target na muscles nito is yung inner thigh. While kapag nasa center naman yung feet, dito naman na outer quads. Kapag nasa taas naman, hamstrings and then yung lower glutes ng secondary muscle natin. And then yung last na variation, which is yung nasa baba, is yung quads.